Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are fine. Now, beta, yesterday we have done the page number 5 of our lesson, The Water Fairy. Now we will do page number 6 of our this chapter, The Water Fairy. Now, yesterday we have discussed that there was woodcutter. He was very poor and his ex fell into the river, and the water fairy came and she given 3 axes to that woodcutter. Alright, and he has taken all 3 axes to his house and he became rich. Alright, and then he started his work very hard. Now we will read the second part of this story. Now see that page number 6. Alright, Vishnu had a neighbor by the name Krishna. So there was one neighbor of Vishnu that his name was Krishna. He was a lazy and wicked man. He was lazy and wicked man. Alright, so wicked, what is wicked? He was very naughty. He became jealous of Vishnu's success. So he was not happy with Vishnu's success. Alright, he wanted to become richer than Vishnu. So he also wanted to become rich. Alright, as Vishnu was rich, so he also wanted to become a rich. So he befriended Vishnu and asked him how he became rich suddenly. So he asked Vishnu that how he became rich. Vishnu in his simplicity explained how he lost the axe and how the water fairy had come and helped him. So he explained to Krishna the story about how his axe fell into the river and the water fairy came and he got all 3 axes. Now Krishna tried to copy that Vishnu had done. So he went to the riverside and dropped his axe into the river. So Krishna also went to the river, and what Vishnu had done by mistake, though Krishna did this deliberately. Alright, he went to the river and dropped his axe into the river water. So Krishna did it deliberately. Alright. After that he started praying to God, saying that he lost his axe and now it was difficult for him to live. So now he started praying and saying that he lost his axe and it is difficult for him to live. Now the water fairy appeared from the water and asked him what he was praying for. Now the water fairy asked him what he was praying for. Krishna then told the fairy that he had lost his axe and requested her to help. Now Krishna told the fairy that he has lost his axe and requested water fairy to help him. The water fairy went down and came up with 3 axes, one golden, another silver, and the third an iron axe. So water fairy came up with 3 axes, golden, silver, and iron axe. Then the fairy asked him which axe was his. Then fairies asked him which axe was his. Krishna in his greed said all the 3 axes were his. So Krishna said all these 3 axes was his. Then the water fairy became angry at his answer and disappeared into the water. So after that, water fairy became angry. So she disappeared into the water. Thus the greedy and wicked Krishna did not gain anything, instead lost his axe. So Krishna did not get anything and he lost his axe. Alright. Now the moral of the story, God helps only those who are pure in heart. So you should always be pure in your heart. Now beta, all of you read this chapter thoroughly. Alright. and tomorrow we will do exercise of or question answers of this lesson. All of you find out the question answers. All right, tomorrow we will do. Thank you.